I'll be showing you the top Etsy integration apps available on the Shopify App Store. We'll be going over the features, pricing, and reviews so you can decide the best fit for your store. The first app we'll take a look at is called Etsy Integration by DPL. It gives you bulk product uploads and imports, as well as real-time and SKU-based inventory, orders, and product sync. They also have 24/7 support with one-on-one video calls on weekdays. This lets you sync, sell, and scale. You also get features such as customized and automated upload listings with smart profiles, and you can reclaim up to 16 hours a week with a two-way sync. So rather than juggling inventory, orders, and listings between them, which is time-consuming and error-prone, you can sell with confidence by automating inventory management. You can sync 750,000 inventories a day based on SKUs all in real time. In terms of pricing, it just has a flat rate pricing plan at $19.99 per month, where you can sync and fulfill unlimited orders. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars to 648 5-star reviews. If we take a look at this latest review here, this merchant has been experiencing some issue with their syncing, and they went and talked to customer support, and they went above and beyond. Next up, we have Etsy Integration by QuickSync. This lets you sync your Etsy inventory, listings, and orders with 100% confidence. So it's going to work with multiple stores, syncing inventory, names, and more. And it's going to include real-time syncing to make sure everything's up to date. In terms of pricing, it starts at $19 a month and going to $29 a month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 2.2 thousand 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review, this merchant was stumbling around not knowing what they needed when the customer service came in and walked them through the process of auto syncing, and overall some really great reviews here. Next up, we have the Etsy integration by Commerce. This lets you sync products between Etsy and Shopify easily, as well as effortlessly syncing both inventory and orders. You can manage pricing across Shopify and Etsy all within this app here. And you can also have bulk product listings as well as profiling for speed and efficiency. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $9 a month, and it's going to up in price depending on the number of products and orders synced. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with just shy of 2,000 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the AI summary, merchants appreciate this app for its efficient synchronization of products, orders, and inventory between Shopify and Etsy, enhancing business operations and preventing overselling. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, along with a ton of different analytics and metrics. That's going to let you make smarter business decisions, as you can have a true understanding of your store's performance. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad platforms such as Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. It also has plenty of cost of goods sold integrations such as AliExpress, Printify, Printful, ShipHero, and CJ Dropshipping. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself, and I'll leave a link in the description below. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store. Just look for this logo in the top left here. Lastly, we have Shuttle, which is a sync with Etsy app, so you can seamlessly and in real time or on demand sync stock levels, products, orders, and reviews between your Etsy and Shopify stores. This lets you transfer or update all, or do it in batch, or even select specific products. There's a two-way real-time inventory sync with a clear and detailed history. You can also manage and export reviews along with their images. In terms of pricing, it's going to depend on objects here. The base plan starts at $5 a month, and it goes up depending on the quota as well as the monthly syncs. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.5 stars with 199 5-star reviews. According to the AI summary, merchants appreciate this app for its user-friendly interface that streamlines managing listings and inventory between Etsy and Shopify, saving time on syncing products, orders, and stock. So this concludes the video on the top Etsy integrations for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.